7 ways to order a coffee politely. English in color. So let's start simple. Coffee, please. Coffee, please. 1 coffee, please. 1 coffee, please. Just a coffee, please. Just a coffee, please. Could I get a coffee? Could I get a coffee? Could I get a coffee? I'd like a coffee. I'd like a coffee. I'd like a coffee. I'll take a coffee. I'll take a coffee. I'll take a coffee. I'll have a coffee. I'll have a coffee. So that's all, very fast. Thanks for watching. Please share and like and subscribe. And if you have an idea for something for me to cover, please let me know in the comments. See you next time.